Unlocking Everyday English. The meaning of so long. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the intricacies of the English language to help you communicate more effectively and understand the nuances of this global tongue. Today, we have a special topic in store. The phrase, so long. What does it mean? How do you use it? Stick around as we dive deep into this commonly used expression. While the exact origins of so long are somewhat unclear, it is widely accepted that this phrase has been in use since the late 19th century. Some believe it may have derived from a Scandinavian or Germanic expression, but nothing is certain. What we do know is that it has become a staple in English-speaking cultures around the world. So long is a parting phrase used when saying goodbye. It carries a sense of friendliness and informality, and is often used among friends or acquaintances. It does not necessarily imply a long duration of time before the next meeting. It's simply a warm way to say farewell. To better understand how to use so long, let's go through some examples. 1. Casual goodbye. I have to catch my train now, so long. 2. End of a gathering. This was a great party, but I need to head home. So long, everyone. 3. Leaving work. So long, see you all tomorrow. In each of these examples, the speaker is leaving and expressing farewell in a friendly, casual manner. It's important to note that so long is very casual, and it might not be appropriate in more formal settings. For instance, you wouldn't typically use so long when leaving a job interview or a formal meeting. A common mistake is using so long when a quick or immediate return is expected, as it can imply that you'll be gone for a substantial amount of time, even if that's not the speaker's intention. We hope this exploration of so long has shed some light on this common but intriguing phrase. Remember, it's a casual and warm way to say goodbye, perfect for friends and casual acquaintances. Use it when you want to add a touch of friendliness to your farewell. So long for now, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our next video.